Today, I'm going to show you the basic way to create a reel or short, which is a 60-second video, basically. Right now, YouTube seems to be the only one limiting up to 60 seconds. Facebook and Instagram Reels can be up to 90 seconds or a minute and a half. And TikTok, I think up to 2 minutes, or maybe now slightly over that. They keep increasing. But in this video, we're going to show you how to work a less than 60-second video. So today I'm working with a video I shot at my grandson's birthday party. So you can see it here. It's right, this one right here. It's 39 seconds long. And I'm going to show you Capcut is a tool that I use for all my editing. Capcut. You can get the free version and use it, and I did for quite a while, but now I use the paid version. It's $7.99 a month, which gives me more choices of fonts, captions, stickers, and a few more extra bonuses. So I'm going to show you how on my cell phone, which is how I create the majority of my videos, and show you all the tricks that I have figured out so far. But first, I do record normally using this selfie stick. It holds the cell phone nice and sturdy, and it raises up to 5 feet high. And we're going to start a new project. All right. And so I'm going to pick automatically all my photos, my videos, my photos, and my live photos come up automatically. So I'm just going to choose the video that I wanted to use, and I just go ahead and click add. All right, so now this is my editing tool, and I'm going to edit this video, the 39-second video of my grandson's birthday party we did last night. The first thing I wanted to show you is that you click the edit button. Like if you move the screen over a little bit, you edit. And if you want to take out a certain portion of the video, you can do it at this point. Okay, so we're going to go back. So we're going to go back to the beginning. And I'm just going to play the video, and I'm going to show you what the original video looks like. Turn up the volume. So we're at the Texas Roadhouse, and they made my grandson get up on a saddle. And I'm telling him what to do. Okay, that's the end of the video. We're going to back it up a little bit to the beginning. Now, one of the things that I pretty much do on most of my videos before I do the captions is I click the edit button and I go to speed. And no matter really how fast I think I'm talking, or if I'm talking too slow, I do raise it up a little bit quicker to 1.2. Typically, all my videos are at 1.2. And so I'm going to show you what that sounds like. It just speeds it up ever so slightly. So as you can see, it doesn't change the volume of the pitch of the voices. It doesn't make it sound like it's going any faster, but it does speed up the video just a little bit to keep people's attention. The next thing I do is, let's just say that I don't want, as you can see, I'm sitting at the table, on the other end of the table. There's Jeremiah. He's on the saddle. At this point, what I can do is I can do the whole video this way, or I can just do a part of the video this way. And so let's just say I want to do the beginning of the video just about there where he comes into focus. So you can see before, he's not really focused. Okay, so let's just say I want to take that part of the video out. All right, and so I'm going to split it right there. So the video itself has to be highlighted. You click split, and then I'm going to take this beginning and just delete it out of there. Okay. And now what I'm going to do is, since I don't want everybody to see the kind of mess on the table, it's going to do the whole video if I do this, or if I split it, let's just say right here, do the split. In this section, I can zoom in. Okay, so it'll just zoom in on this section alone. All right, so let's replay this section. And then it'll go back to normal. If you don't split the video anywhere and zoom in, it'll zoom into the whole video that way. So let's just do the rest of the video that way, because I really don't want people to see my messy table. So I'm just going to zoom in to my grandson. Okay, and now that part is done. The other part of this is, of course, any kind of stickers. We do the captions. Okay, so here's stickers, and let's maybe find a happy birthday sticker. So you can just type in happy birthday, and it'll pull up all of the stickers that have to do with what you typed in there. There's lots of stickers. And so we're going to search, and there it is. So we're going to put a sticker up there. Happy birthday. There it is. And then at this point, you can move it, you can make it smaller, right? But it's not going to put it through the whole video. It's just going to put it at a certain section. So what you can do is you can make it less, or you can make it more by just scrolling this. Now it'll be on the entire video. Okay, this happy birthday. All right. And you just put it to the end. So that's how you can add stickers. You just have to be very patient. There we go. Okay. So I've got the happy birthday sticker on there. And then I think the next thing I'll do is we'll go back to captions. So now when anybody talks in the video, those words will come up and put auto captions. Okay, so I'm going to use that one. And then generate captions. So it's working on that. The other thing I really like doing at the very beginning of my videos is doing effects. And there's video effects. Now this is just, what I do at the beginning. In one of my former videos, I talked about maybe shaking the camera or zooming in. Well, all of these right here are different trending. You got pro, and then you have ones that go the same thing on the opening and the closing of the video. So let's just show you what that looks like. And it, like I say, it just does the beginning of the video. So all of everything you're adding is coming down here. So like I say, it's just the throb. And I notice that I get more views. They stay and watch the video longer when there's something happening at the beginning. Either I'm zooming in or shaking the camera or some kind of effect, okay? So now we got captions, we got stickers. You can do things at the end. Now, if you have the free version, typically the word CapCut will come at the end. I always would delete that because I don't think my audience really cares whether I have CapCut or not. But this would be also another place you could do stickers or effects. There's stickers. Bye. Okay, so now that's at the end of the video. So you can see it. Now see, CapCut showed up again. Oh, I don't want that CapCut. So you can use the sticker cover up the CapCut insignia. That would be another good way to do that. And then now I'm going to talk about voiceovers. At this point, you can decide whether you want the video. So I'm going to unmute it. Now I'm going to hit, that's why I couldn't do the captions. Okay. I'm going to do captions. And we're going to do, there's a lot to choose from, as you can see, Pro, but then here's all of the captions that you can do if you don't have Pro, and then they come back to the Pro and off Pro. So I'm just going to pick one and generate captions. So now you're going to have the guy, you know, that's wishing Jeremiah happy birthday. Okay, so it's just a lot of noise back there. So I am going to do a voiceover. And when you do a voiceover, like anything to do with text, stickers, captions, you would click text. Anything to do with voiceovers, you would do audio. Okay, so now I do a lot of voiceovers in my, so I'm going to put it at the beginning. I do a lot of voiceovers on my videos. So I'm just going to record something. I'm going to push it in the video. Okay. We had so much fun at Texas Roadhouse last night, celebrating my grandson's 11th birthday, and he went along with us perfectly. Okay, so there's the voiceover, and you can see that it added a line now. You can see how it sounds. So much fun. Roadhouse last night, celebrating my grandson's 11th birthday. So now we want captions on my voiceover. Let's do that one. And so it's going to create the captions for my voiceover that I made. There they are. Okay. So much fun. So you can make this bigger. You can move it around. I usually like to put it right about here, so it's not covering up my face, but it's not in the way of all of the usually social media, whatever video, wherever you put your video on social media, it's going to cover something up if you put it too low. Usually I have my text up there and my captions down there. All right, so that's quite a few of the things that I do. So we covered captions, we covered stickers, on CapCut, we covered effects, we covered the voiceover. So there's just, that's mostly what you can do with CapCut. And now it's just ready to export. And what it'll do is it'll finalize all of the things that you've done, and it'll add it right to your photos and videos on your cell phone. From here, you can share it right over to TikTok. But we're done for now. I'm not going to put that on TikTok. But I wanted to show you that now, here's the video right there in my videos. And by speeding it up a little bit, it made it go from 39 seconds down to 33. So I hope you got a lot out of this. Let me know if you're going to order CapCut. CapCut is either free or the paid version is $7.99 a month. And in my next video, I'm going to show you how I use a teleprompter. And the teleprompter that I use is Big View. All right. Thanks for watching. Hope that helps. Let me know your successes.